Welcome back to our channel. Want to restore your iPhone backup but aren't sure which option to choose? Here are 3 methods. Let's dive in. Method 1. Restore the complete backup with Apple's official tool. If you normally back up your data to a computer using iTunes or Apple devices app, you can use this method for restoration. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Open Finder or Apple devices, select your iPhone, and click Restore Backup. Choose the correct backup based on its date. Enter the password if the backup is encrypted. Click Restore and keep the connection stable. Your iPhone will restart when it finishes. Open your usual apps and check the relevant data to confirm the result. Apple's official option restores the entire backup. If you don't back up previously, try the next method. Method 2. Restore data from iCloud. First, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Then go to iCloud and find iCloud Backup. If you've backed up your iPhone to iCloud before, this option should already be turned on. To make sure you have the latest backup, tap Backup Now and wait for the backup to finish. Once that's done, go back to Settings, tap General, then scroll down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now we're going to reset the iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings, then tap Continue. Confirm that you want to erase the iPhone. You may also be asked to enter your Apple ID password. Once you enter it, the reset will begin. Give it a few minutes. When the iPhone restarts, you'll see the Hello screen. Now just go through the setup process, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and create your passcode. And here comes the most important part. When you get to the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with the same Apple ID you used to create the iCloud backup. After signing in, you'll see a list of available backups. Choose the backup you want to restore, and your iPhone will start downloading your data from iCloud. At this point, there's really nothing else you need to do. The restore time depends on the size of your backup and the speed of your Wi-Fi, so just let it finish. Once the restore is complete, your iPhone may restart automatically. And that's it. Your backed up data will be restored to the iPhone. Method 3. Restore data with iCareFone. Compared to Apple's official method, iCareFone is a more stable and efficient solution. It lets you back up or manage selected iPhone data on a computer, so you can verify the result before removing anything from the device. Download and open iCareFone using the link in the video description. Connect iPhone to the computer with cable, choose Backup and Restore, then select a detected backup. Check its date and source device, then let the software load the backup. Preview and select the data you need. Confirm the direction is from the backup to the connected iPhone. Then click Restore to device and keep the connection stable. When it finishes, open the restored content on your iPhone. Check the item count and recent records to verify the result. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.